Okay, we're starting off with 2 pounds of our cooked pasta in our large roast pan. Next, I'm coming in with 2 jars of Alfredo. Oh, it's extra steamy, which is exactly what we want. You wanna make sure that your noodles are a little al dente because we are popping this in the oven and we don't want those noodles to be overcooked. We got our Alfredo in there. Now I'm coming in with 2 pounds of my shredded seasoned chicken. And we are just spreading that right on top of our pasta, our sauce, and all of that goodness. This is such a great dish for a potluck, for a weekday dinner, for, a Sunday church, whatever you want to make this for, people will love it. It's so tasty. Get all of that in there. Kind of spread that out. Yum. All right, now I'm gonna come in with my pre-cooked bacon and we're gonna chop up our bacon right into our pan. This is about 14 slices of bacon, but you can use more or less depending on your taste. But I mean, who doesn't love more bacon, right? Okay, so let's make sure we get these nice and chopped up. They don't need to be too big or too small. As long as they're in your dish, people are gonna be happy. Oh yeah. For seasoning, we're gonna keep it super simple and we're gonna do 1 package of our ranch seasoning. So it's kind of like a bacon, chicken, ranch kind of feel for this easy potluck dish. Yummy. I am so excited to get this cooking. Saw this on the internet and I wanted to try it because it looked incredible. And I had a bunch of people coming over today, so today was the perfect time to try it. The only thing that this is missing is some cheese. So we have a creamy melt mozzarella and we're using that whole bag. You can grate your own cheese if that's what you prefer, but I am not that picky. We have a whole bag of Colby Jack right in there. Yummy. And then last but certainly not least, a whole bag of mild cheddar. So this is kind of like a chicken bacon ranch Alfredo mac and cheese with all that goodness. Now I'm gonna come in with my spatula and it's time to mix this all together. The creamy Alfredo, the pasta, the bacon, the chicken, that ranch seasoning. You want to make sure everything gets combined together. Yum-y. All right, I cannot wait for my family to come over and give this a try because it is gonna be a game changer. Now, I did just boil up some chicken, but you could also use a rotisserie chicken if you wanted to. I think you might need 2 rotisserie chickens if you're making this big of a serving, but you could also cut this in half if you're not feeding as many people as I am. Okay, I think we're almost fully mixed. We will give it another mix before we serve, so let's just kind of flatten that out and get this in the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my, this smells incredible. Oh, I'm gonna give it another quick kind of mix. Oh, look at that creaminess, the Alfredo, the chicken, the bacon, that ranch seasoning. This is about to be so good. Bowl here and let's give it a try. I'm gonna need more than that. This looks incredible. All right, so let's give it a try. Oh my, this is way too good. Wow, you guys have to try it.